Alright, so we want to make a box for this little speedometer here. We want to make it so that it fits snugly into the box. We want to make sure that there is no space, that we're not shipping any air with our packages. So again, like we discussed before, every item has its the length, the width, and the height. So whenever you place an item, you want to put it a little, you want to take some space off to the side, because this is the flap. And you want to just mark it. That's our little flap. And then we have another one. This is with the top. That's going to be the other side. And just leave it a little bit for the flap again. Now, smaller items like this is sometimes hard to get. You can get a ruler or just kind of measure the height of the item with your, I'd say around this way here, maybe about 4 inches. So take away 4 inches, right there. And then, what I like to do is I measure down the distance. So it's 8.5 by 12 and 3/4. So 8.5 by 12 and 3/4. You're gonna go 8.5, 12 and 3/4. Okay? And then we have, here's our little flap. So what we do here is basically, again, one side, the second side, right? And now our box is not perfectly square, therefore I can't really get this line extremely perfect. There we go. So now we're going to cut out these extras. These are all extras, we don't need those. We're going to go like this. Okay. And then cut this extra side. Now that's your extra material. Now, as you notice, I'm not going very thorough on this box. When we were creating the wheel, I was very, very thorough. You should notice that I'm cutting out these little flaps out. These are extras we don't need. Oh, by the way, so now you can see we created a little box, and now this item can go in there very, very snugly. There's not a lot of wiggle room here. It's going to be nice and sturdy inside. And just close the side. Now we have a little bit on the extra side on the flap. That's fine. You can just cut that off, and then you're going to cut off the extra side here as well a little bit. If you measure everything correctly, you shouldn't have those issues. But in case you have that issue, just place it down like this and kind of like drag your blade. It'll cut off everything extra. And that's how you make a small little box for your items to ship. That was the speedometer.